Want your Galaxy S25 to feel even fresher? Samsung's rolling out a huge update for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, packed with new One UI 7 features and the April 2025 security patch. It's trending for its global expansion, starting in Australia. Stick around to see what's new and how to grab it. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Samsung's taking the Galaxy S25 series to the next level with a global software update. After dropping in Korea, it's now hitting Australia and more markets soon. With One UI 7 enhancements like a slick media player and April 2025 security patch, this update's got X buzzing. Let's dive into what's new and why you need it. So what's in this Galaxy S25 series update? It's a game changer, bringing One UI 7 features that older Galaxy devices got post-update, leveling the playing field. First up, the Now bar gets a live notification for media. When you're jamming to Spotify or watching YouTube, a control widget pops up in the top left status bar. Tap it and boom, playback controls in a sleek pop-up, no need to swipe down. There's also a revamped charging animation, now smoother and flashier, borrowed from the One UI 7 beta. Plus, it packs general stability tweaks for camera, charging, and system performance, making your S25 snappier. The April 2025 security patch fixes over 60 vulnerabilities, including 21 Samsung-specific issues, keeping your phone locked tight. Oh, and it's a hefty 780 MB download, so use Wi-Fi. Why is this trending? X posts are hyping the Now bar and charging animation, with Australia kicking off the global rollout. According to sources, more countries are next, so the buzz is spreading fast. This update makes the S25 series feel complete, matching One UI 7 features on older devices like the S24 or the Z Fold 6, which got similar media controls post-update. The security patch is critical, patching holes in apps like Samsung Contacts and the Clipboard service, plus Samsung testing Samsung Wallet upgrades in the US, installment payments, and send money, which could drop soon, making your S25 a payment powerhouse. For gamers, students, or anyone rocking an S25, this update's a must for a smoother, safer vibe. Alright, let's get you updated. Picture your Galaxy S25. What's your vibe? Controlling music with a tap on the Now bar? Showing off that slick charging animation? Or feeling secure with the latest patch? Drop your favorite update feature in the comments.